30 years. How have we broken through while staying grounded? The answer lies in every pursuit of precision. All progress is built on a foundation, and for us, it began with the 3-rail, the cornerstone of our initial commitment to quality. But we never stopped thinking. When precision hit its limit, we asked, could one more dimension unlock new possibilities? Thus, the 4-rail was born. This was not a simple replacement, but a technological evolution for more uniform force distribution, more stable output, and even greater precision. Evolution never ceases. Exploration knows no end. Every challenge to the limit leads to a critical leap forward. From 3 to 4 to 5, the progression in numbers marks a leap across technological tiers and a dual revolution in efficiency and precision. What keeps changing is the benchmark we set for the industry. What never changes is the pioneering spirit that drives us forward. 博于 plastic machinery, innovation defines the future.